Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services, empowering you to get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. First thing we need to do anytime we do any sort of measuring is calibrate the drawings. So I'm going to go over to my measurement panel here. Looks like a ruler. When I click on that, it opens up the panel. And there's a couple different ways we can calibrate the drawings. First off, we have presets here. You can use this pull down menu to select what scale your drawing is at. If I select 1 equals 30, or if I come down here, whichever one I select, it's going to set the scale of the entire sheet. So I can set that and go on with my markups. As I've probably mentioned in past webinars, I will teach all of my students every time to never do it that way. We don't know if the drawings were printed correctly. There's options when you print from CAD software to scale to fit, which means it's going to scale the contents of the PDF to fit on the sheet, whatever sheet you select. So the title of your plan or the scale in your title block might say a certain scale, but when it's stretched to fit on a certain piece of paper, it may no longer be to scale. So I don't trust those. If I have a scanned document, I don't trust it at all. So I will always come up here and use the calibrate button. It's easy enough. When you click on that, it's going to open up this little window here telling us to select 2 points of a known dimension. So I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to zoom in somewhere where I know a dimension. Here I've got 30 feet from building grid to building grid. And with my snaps turned on down here, snap to content, I'm going to snap to those grid lines. I like to hold my shift key to draw a straight line over to the next grid, and I click there. And then this window pops up. And it's telling us this random distance on the piece of paper equals 50 feet. And I know that's not true, so I'm going to come in here and change it to what the dimension says, 30 feet. And I'm going to say apply scale. Now all of the drawings that we do are going to be to that scale. Okay? So those are the ways that you can calibrate your drawings. If you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to the team at Brighter Graphics or myself. We'd be happy to help you out with that.